How to download Minecraft on Asus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Store. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On top, you'll find search bar. Search Minecraft. You'll find Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock Edition for PC. Click on it, and to download Minecraft, you need to buy Minecraft. It is USD $29.99. Simply purchase this from your Microsoft Store. Pay it using your Visa card or any card which is available, and then you'll be able to install Minecraft. This is how to install Minecraft on Asus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.